Hi guys, I just thought I'd do a quick review on a product that I recently started using. Basically, lately I've noticed all the hype about argan oil and how beneficial it is for your hair. So I decided to try Argan Life's hair product and pure argan oil just to try and grow my hair out and put some life back into it. Basically, it's helped a lot. I have quite long and healthy hair now, which I've always wanted, but in the past, every time I try to grow it out, I'd have to cut my hair due to split ends and things, but I don't have that problem now. I mean, my hair's grown so fast and it's just healthy and long and really lovely. I've been using the product for about a month and a half now, and I don't think my hair's ever been this long, so it's certainly helped me a lot. I'd totally recommend Argan Life's hair product and their pure argan oil, and if you're interested you can order the product from their website, which is arganlifeproducts.com. And if you're impatient like me, the shipping is super fast, thankfully, and their customer service is just so supportive and perfect. They're just a really great company to deal with, and it's just such an easy process. So that's all, and thanks.